If you've added a word to Grammarly Dictionary by mistake, or you no longer want Grammarly to treat a word as acceptable, this video will show you exactly how to remove added words from Grammarly Dictionary quickly and easily. This is a really useful fix if your dictionary has grown too cluttered, if you added a typo, or if you simply want to clean up your personalized word list. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's get into it. First, open any online text editor where Grammarly is active. You can use Google Docs, a web-based writing tool, or even the Grammarly web editor itself. The important part is that the Grammarly extension or Grammarly interface is available on the page, so you can access your account settings from there. Once the page is open, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the green Grammarly G icon. Click that icon to open the Review Suggestions panel. This panel is where Grammarly shows writing suggestions, but it also gives you access to settings and account options. After the panel opens, look at the top area of the panel and find the gear icon. This is the settings button. Click the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the options that appear, click on All Settings. This will open your Grammarly account settings page in a new tab where you can manage your writing preferences and dictionary entries. Now that you're in the Grammarly settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Writing. This section contains the tools related to how Grammarly checks your writing, including your personal dictionary. Inside the writing section, scroll until you find the Your Dictionary area. In your dictionary, you'll see a list of added words. These are the words Grammarly has been told to ignore or accept as valid. Find the word you want to remove from the list. If you have a lot of custom words saved, take your time and make sure you're deleting the correct one. When you locate the word, look to the right of it and click the trash can icon. As soon as you click it, Grammarly will instantly delete that word from your dictionary. There's usually no extra confirmation step, so be careful before removing anything. If you delete the wrong word, you may need to add it back later. And that's it. You've now successfully removed an added word from Grammarly Dictionary. This is a simple way to keep your dictionary organized and make sure Grammarly is only ignoring the words you actually want it to ignore. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.